In front of me is Motorola Moto G87, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Apps. To scroll a tiny bit and click on Cloned Apps section. Then to clone any available app, use plus icon next to it and hit Create. When you finished, just go back to check it out. As you can see, my app was successfully cloned. If you ever want to delete any clone, you can do that like you would any other app. Or you can go back to the same section in your settings and tap on bin icon. Then select Delete and confirm your choice. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!